If keeping your new SUV on the road rather than in the shop is important to you, then take CR's advice. Using survey data from owners of hundreds of thousands of vehicles, here are the new SUVs you should avoid buying in 2025, all with the lowest reliability in their class. In the midsize SUV segment, avoid the Jeep Grand Cherokee. With the lowest in-class reliability, owners of this Jeep reported problems with the drive system, electrical engine issues, steering and suspension, as well as various noises and leaks. Looking for a mid-size 3-row SUV? Avoid the newly introduced Mazda CX-90 plug-in hybrid. Owners reported issues with the EV battery, transmission, climate system, steering and suspension, electrical accessories, and in-car electronics. Maybe you're shopping a bit smaller. Think twice before buying a Ford Escape hybrid. Owners have had a number of problems with this small SUV, including brake issues, in-car electronics, and in some cases, full replacement of the hybrid battery. The Volkswagen Taos didn't fare much better. Owners told CR that they dealt with relatively minor issues like noises, leaks, and in-car electronics, as well as some more serious problems like unreliable brakes and engine trouble. Luxury SUVs also have their reliability issues, and Lincoln's Corsair is no exception. Owners told us about drive system problems and body hardware issues like a loose driver's seat. Power controls for the in-car electronics were also problematic. And we'd avoid the Mercedes-Benz GLE, a mid-size luxury SUV that starts at over $60,000. Owners who bought the GLE experienced minor transmission issues and problems with the fuel system, climate system, brakes, and electrical accessories. So now you can walk the lot with confidence, but which SUVs are the most reliable? ConsumerReports.org has reliability data on hundreds of new and used vehicles, as well as the results of the over 50 tests we perform on every car we purchase for our test program to make sure that you can find the best car, truck, or SUV for you. Get started now at cr.org.